36 inches. If it hits you 36 inches too close, baby.
Yo, we did it. We did it, Joe. We did it. Alright guys, so I just got out the shower. I just washed my hair. As you can see, this is my natural curl pattern. Yeah. So I'm about to go ahead and blow dry it so I can easily get it into the part. So it's looking a little long. Ow. I'm actually going to moisturize it. I'm going to moisturize with this oil. This oil is from my website and the link will be down in the description. Use code YouTube for 10% off. But first I like to come with my edges. Hey y'all, so I completely sped this video up, but I'm blow drying my hair to make the parting process way easier, because it's just easier if you blow dry your hair. I'm just going to keep it a band. I'm going to keep it $150, which you says, like, stretch your hair out prior. I had to rewash my hair, so that's why I blow dried it. But I'm blow drying my hair out, and then in the next clip, you're going to see Risen helping me put the plaits in the back so we can get this process started. Get it started in here, period.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now.
Alright guys, so it's been over an hour and I've been braiding and parting. As you seen in the last clip, Risen was helping me. So y'all, I have this last section of hair. Last section of hair to do. I feel like it looks very thin also because the light is behind it. But I mean, I did get my ends clipped not too long ago. But yeah, go ahead and do this last little section. It's not little. It actually took a lot to do. This one's giving me very much Pop Smoke. Alright guys, so I just finished all the freaking plaits, y'all. I think I have about 40 something plaits, y'all. This process took forever. Do you hear me? It took way too long for me and it's very annoying, but y'all, my hair definitely grew. Like, don't mind the ends. I'm gonna just oil these ends and try to braid them up a little bit more, but we are done. Alright you guys, so this is the hair that I ordered. I ordered the 36-inch NU LOC hair. 4 packs from Amazon. You guys, the 4 packs came in these bags, but you get 4 packs and you also get a crochet needle. You get some cusp, so yeah. And this is fresh out per. Alright, so let's pull the back up. And the hair I'm using to wrap around is this one right here. So let's see how this looks, y'all, because I'm scared. Alright, y'all, so here I was doing a little test run. I had to make sure I knew how to do this before I came up here and showed y'all how to really get down, how to really do it. You know what I'm saying? Basically, you take the hair out. You're gonna go ahead and open it. I'll just show y'all. Y'all see. You'll see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna, like, later in the video explain it. I'm gonna put the timestamp at the bottom as well so that you can go directly to the directions. But once you put the NU LOC hair on, you're gonna crochet the freetress hair as well. And then you're basically just gonna wrap it around. Like, wrap it around the root a whole bunch of times. But yeah, it's really simple, but I'm gonna show you guys the timestamp in the description down below so you can go to the more detailed version of it, and that's on period.
Y'all, we did it. We did it, Joe. We did it.
Alright, y'all, so what I'm going to do is do a few more, and then I'm going to come back once we get more towards the top so I can explain it some more in detail. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, so I did most of the back. Here are the locks. They look super cute. Who is she? I don't know. A long hair shorty with a blue shirt. What's goody? I'm just kidding, but we're gonna go ahead and do the top. Should I start on this side? I guess this side would be easier for you guys to see. So step 1 is to grab your lock. And these are the two sides of the lock. You want to open it? Alright, so that is the hole that you want to open up on the lock to go ahead and feed it through your hair. So the first step, I always confuse this step. You put the crochet needle through your hair first, and then you go ahead and attach the lock. And you'll see me here pulling it through. And then with the side that you just took out the crochet needle, you're going to put your actual braid of your hair and basically tighten it. As you can see, it'll be 2 pieces. Next, you're going to take that freetress hair and you're going to crochet that through your hair as well. As you will see in 1 second. I split my pieces in half, which I prefer to kind of do one whole piece, but I only had like 1 pack of hair, so I had to make it work, sis. But as you see, what I did was I put both of the sides of the twist, because it's like 2 sides, you know, when you pull it through. I went ahead and just wrapped those around the root, and then I wrapped it all the way down the hair to cover up the braid. Y'all, the hair kept getting stuck on my bracelet, but to cover up my natural hair and to blend it in with the rest of the lock, as you will see in a second. And another little side note, I feel like when you get the freetress brand hair, it looks a little bit better, only because like the locs brand, it just dries out like very quickly. It's all like to each his own. The locs is definitely cheaper, but yeah, but as you can see, I'm twisting it all the way down. You can see it getting twisted on my wrist, but I'm twisting all the way down. I'm gonna use my hands to scrunch it up, I guess, and some got to be freeze spray to make sure it's attached. But I like it when it's like little curly pieces on the side. I think they're so cute. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna show you guys again how I went ahead and did it. It's very simple.
Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth. What you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get a records, I fuck with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love, baby girl. From his ass, 2019. Poured the link, I'm stuck in a dream. Started hit list back in 2014. I got a ice on me, super saline. Fathers came in off a hunt. Yeah, my niggas still tripping for fun. Didn't know I was the one. Still got niggas on the run.
Left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end, like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
I've been moving, kinda start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I can see clearly when you're on myself. I'm blinded by the lights. No, I can't.
Alright, y'all, so I'm at the last three at the top. As you can see, 3 more to go, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it once again. Alright, y'all, so we're up close and personal, but you'll see me pulling the NU LOC hair through the root of my braid, and then I'm going to slide my braid through the whole of the NU LOC hair. It sounds so confusing, but I promise you it's simple. Next, you're going to take your freetress hair. I'm trying to get the camera to focus, but I'm going to go ahead and crochet that through my hair as well, as you'll see right here. Alright, so once we have it through, you're basically going to wrap that hair that we just pulled through around the braid, and you're going to wrap it around the NU LOC. But you want to wrap it around the base a couple times. I'm going to pull some edges out, but y'all, it's really simple, I promise you. I know some people are visual learners. I feel like it's easier to see it than to explain it. But yeah, but you're just going to keep twisting all the way down so that you can have the inside, that twist will be your natural hair. As you can see, and it's going to blend right into the NU LOC. Oh, I love it when it has like the little curls on the side. It's so cute. It's so cute. But yeah, and then you're going to just spray it with your hands and spray some Got to Be Free spray. I did some of mine at the end. But yeah, so yeah, it's just a simple process. You just crochet the new lock, and then you just make sure you knot it up basically with your natural hair. It's really simple, I promise you. So just, I guess, watch. It's easier to watch it than to actually explain it.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
Hey guys, so I finally finished all the hair. Like, this took so long. It is 11:30 at night. I don't know what time I started, probably like around, or actually around like 7 o'clock is when I started. So it took like 4 hours, and these are so long. Let me show y'all. These are so freaking long. Hold on. Y'all,
36 inches. If it hits you 36 inches too close, baby.
But I think I'm really gonna wear them like this because I kind of like the way this looks. But anyway, let me see your side part. What's the side part looking like, sis? Let's see. Ooh, these things stiff. Alright y'all, so if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. See you guys in the next.